Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to set up automated responses on Instagram direct messages 2024. So here, just open the Manage Chat website and then click on the Instagram option. That's right. And then after that, you'd be directed to this page where you have to continue with Google or continue with Facebook. So once done logging in with your Facebook account, you'd be directed to this page where you have to select your account. And then after selecting your account, you'd be directed to your dashboard. So right here, you just have to simply click on the automation section. Okay, and then once you click on the automation section, you'd be able to see this page. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here we have this different sections. So now just click on the new automation at the top right of our screen. Then here you'll be able to see different templates that we can use. So I'm just going to start from scratch. Okay, so here we're just going to learn the basic principle of ManyChat. So the first one is we have to create a new trigger. So here we are going to select the user sends a message. So select a way to trigger the automation. So we have the option to text specific words in a message or recognize intention of a message. So I'm just going to use this one right here and then type out all of the possible keywords. So like for example, hi, how, or like interested, or even a question mark. So you just have to add here all of the possible keywords that your customers will going to send to you in order to trigger the automation. So here you just have to choose your next steps. Of course, choose Instagram. And then next one is to type out right here your message. So for the first message, I suggest you just have to type out your welcome message. And then next, just have to add a new step. And then just have to select Instagram. Or if you want to add an action, you can do that as well. Or if you want to add a button, so just click on the button. You can change the button title. And then you just have to paste here the website URL. And then after that, just click on done. So once your automation is ready, just have to set this live, and then you have to take note that in order for you to set this live, you have to subscribe to a pro plan. So this is how it's going to look like.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.